So if I were to go around onto the left side and bring in some shapes right here, we can go around and then change it out right here and then group it out by right clicking right here. So this becomes a single shape. Let me just go around, right click and duplicate this, and you can see that this is another group right here, and I'm just going to group it out as well. I'm going to go around and duplicate it out once again, and once I do that, I'm going to select everything and group it out all together again. So let's say I want to edit out the group right here. In that case, I can go around and double click, and you can see that I can go around and select out a particular shape and move it out from over here. Or what I can do is I can select this particular group, and then I can go around onto arrange, onto navigation. You can go around and click on enter group as well. So now a different group view is seen, and you can go around and then you can see that these are this is focusing on this particular group right here, and you can go around and select this out individually. If I were to go around right here, then you can see that this is what you have. And then if I were to go around onto navigation and exit the group, then you can see that the change gets reflected. Even if there are other shapes right here, if I were to go around and select this out right here, let's say for example, if I were to select this, and if I were to go around onto navigation and enter group, you can see that particular group is isolated. I can further isolate out particular group right here by clicking on another group if there's any subgroup, and I can enter that group as well, and you can see that everything else gets hidden, and you are free to just go around and move this around right here. Then you can go around over here onto navigation and then exit the group right here, and it goes one step back, and then you can go around over here and directly go to home if you want to go back to the main page, and you can see that this is the group that you have right here. You can resize it and then place it wherever you want. And that is how you can go around and then edit out group contents without ungrouping the contents in a group inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.